Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Greg and this is Big Blue. Now today's video we will be installing ProTech screen protectors in my Silverado. Now this type of screen protector, or this company, provides screen protectors for many different vehicles, and depending on how things go today, I may also be ordering one for my wife's Jeep Cherokee as well. So let me show you what comes in their packaging. First off, comes in this nifty, nice, durable shipping container. Over here it comes with a nice cleaning cloth and a squeegee. And over here we have the screen protectors for the 8-inch screen, the radio, and also for the gauge cluster. Now one is a glossy finish and one is a matte. That's why there are two of each. I will be installing the glossy finish. Gives it more of a high definition look, but there will be more glare with that. So I prefer the glossy look, the high definition look. So we'll see how it all turns out in the end. Also, what they provide is an empty spray bottle. I've already filled it with what they recommend is warm water, just a solution that you use to clean the screen, and then also spray on the back of the adhesive of the screen protectors to help adhere and place them centered where they need to be. So let's get started. As you guys can see, this is resistant to fingerprints. I'm rubbing and touching on the screen. You cannot see as many fingerprints as you normally would. So again, I'm dragging my finger across. I just installed it minutes ago. It took 5 minutes, but it hides it very well. Now this is not a PPF. It's not made to protect paint. Protective paint film, for those that don't know what PPF stands for. So it's meant strictly for your screens. It won't yellow. It's not supposed to yellow, at least, but it's supposed to be a very durable, long-lasting coat that does restore scratch screens as well. So that film helps cover up any blemishes, any scratches, and make it look like new. So all in all, guys, 5 minutes maybe to install both. Pretty easy job. Pretty satisfied. As you see, it's drying a little bit better on the 8-inch screen than it is my speedometer as of now. But again, give it 24 to 48 hours and it should be good. 5-minute install from Screen ProTech. Protect your screens. 8-inch screen here and my dash cluster. Quick, easy install. Comes with everything you need. Don't have to worry about running out getting anything else. It all comes in their packaging, which is nice and professional. Click the link below for yours. 5% off, discount code BLUE5, and get yours. Whatever vehicle you have, they have you covered. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time.